Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2017 A4 Quattro that we have for sale. Very beautiful vehicle indeed. Relatively local vehicle from Oregon. Clean Carfax. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. 2017 is a great year for the A4 because it got a redesign, looking better than ever. Updated interior. Love the shifter. Beautiful, nice minimalist styling. But very luxurious as well. It's kind of the understated German styling, which we all have grown to like so much. Beautiful leather wrap steering wheel. Really cool features. This one has a Season of Audi package, which gives you a little bit of extra features than you normally get with this particular model of the A4. You have the S-line trim on the outside, so you have a little bit more of a sporty appearance. This one has navigation. Nice big navigation screen, parking camera. You have Audi's fantastic premium audio system. I believe it's also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All the buttons are very easy to and simple to use, laid out, so everything's at hand's reach. There's a volume for the radio. You can also jump tracks or skip to different presets. Keyless ignition with push button starts right there. Dual zone auto climate control. Heated front seats, power front seats. You have a drive mode selector here. That will make changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings. You can also shut the screen off, and what's nice about this is when you shut it off, it's still not black but backlit, so it gives off. Still, when you have backlit screens that are still in the black mode, they still give off light, which can kind of be distracting, but this just shuts off and dims completely. Nice brushed aluminum throughout the interior. This one has Audi's Virtual Cockpit, so the gauge cluster is an LCD screen. You can configure it, change different settings. See, you can just project the map right onto the gauge cluster, so you don't have to look there. That's a little bit easier to see. So it's fun to play with that. You can change the size of the gauges. All sorts of cool stuff. And this thing's a beautiful color combination of black on black. Has about 37,000 miles on it. It's backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee, which you only get at Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm sure there's other stores that do that, I should say. Not only Infiniti of Tacoma, but our 5-day money back guarantee is very nice. It's 5 days, 200 miles, no questions asked. No restocking fees, no gimmicks, not having to exchange it for another vehicle. I can't see any reason why you wouldn't like this A4. Rear climate control. Interior space is not bad, even though this is considered a compact vehicle. It still has decent interior space. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. Still have a good amount of legroom back here. My knees are not bumping on the back of that seat. This thing looks gorgeous in black. Really is a beautiful design. And with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, this does great in the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. The 2.0 liter turbocharged engine is used in a lot of Audi products, as well as Volkswagen products. Makes about 250 horsepower. It's matched to a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, which is a transmission used in a lot of Audi products as well. Look at that beautiful front end styling. Follows a design theme we see throughout the Audi product line, which definitely is not a bad thing at all. Audi makes some beautiful vehicles. Bear with me a second while I open the hood. Yep, there we go. There's a fantastic turbocharged direct injection 4-cylinder engine, 250 horsepower, also very fuel efficient. It's in beautiful shape inside and out. Any questions, feel free to give us a call, and thanks for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.